My name is Leandro Bento. I'm the Chief Technical Officer of Yellow Door Energy. We are the leading sustainable energy partner for businesses with over 200 megawatts of solar projects in the region. Today, I'm at the Big Five Solar Talks in Dubai, talking about asset management in the solar industry, and I'll be focusing in a particular part of the asset management called O&M, which is critical for the success of our projects. O&M stands for Operation and Maintenance. In the solar PV industry, the objective of the O&M is to keep the solar plants running for the maximum time we can at the best performance we can achieve. All these will help the solar plants to produce as much clean energy as possible. Within the O&M, we can say maintenance divided in three: preventive, corrective, predictive. Preventive is the planned maintenance, such as cleaning cycles, equipment inspection, vegetation control, etc. Corrective includes all optimization, repairing, or replacement actions of defaulted equipment. Lastly, predictive uses system data to predict potential failures. Here is where we can use efficient AI algorithms to set system alarms. Having a dedicated O&M team is very important at Yellow Door Energy. This ensures we are always in full control of our projects and we can respond quickly to issues. Both Yellow Door and our customers want to produce as much clean energy as possible from our solar plants. Being able to fully control the project makes the complete difference. I'm proud to share that to date, our projects have exceeded expectations in terms of performance and clean energy generation. This is a significant achievement as we have over 100 megawatts of projects operating in 4 countries under different environmental conditions and multiple technical applications. To achieve these results, on top of the in-house O&M team, we use smart technologies and we have very strict health and safety requirements. We have developed a global monitoring platform called SIMS that provides 24/7 monitoring of our solar plants. That platform and the AI algorithms helps to detect potential malfunctions in the projects in real time. The platform then triggers instructions to the field technicians to inspect and resolve the issues. The Gulf region has high levels of dust, or what we call soiling, that can impact the performance of the solar plant. To address this, we use robotic cleaning wherever we can to improve efficiency and to reduce workload. Another smart technology that we use is drone-assisted thermal imaging to identify potential problems on the PV modules which are impossible to detect with the naked eye. The solar plants are categorized and get a specific follow-up frequency. The drones fly over our massive solar plants, some of the size of several football fields, and conduct the assessment in a few hours. In the past, the standard was to test a percentage of the solar project each year, and now we can test 100% of the solar plant within a few hours. I have been in the solar industry for close to 2 decades. My passion is to constantly improve, to bring tools, to help us to enhance our solar plant's performance. On top of this, we also want to build better communities and make sure everyone comes home safely at the end of the day. I'm really honored to share that every day when I come to work, I'm contributing towards a better world for my children and their children as well.